Hi there students, welcome back to school. I'm going to show you how to access the Connected Student course and complete all of the onboarding assignments for this first week of school. Here's what to do. First, get to the Aiken iNNOVATE homepage. You can open your browser and just Google Aiken iNNOVATE, and it's going to be the first link you come up on. When you scroll down right here in the middle of the screen, you're going to click on the ClassLink option. Once you log in with your credentials, if you click on the widgets drawer, you're going to see Schoology as an option over here. Click on that and then access the LMS. Now, once you get here, you should see a course called the Aiken iNNOVATE, either high school advisory or middle school advisory, depending on what level you are. It's only going to show you one option, and it says Aiken iNNOVATE orientation on the thumbnail. So click on that. Now, you've accessed the orientation course. Over here on the right-hand side, you can click on the upcoming assignment. These are the assignments that must be completed in order to suffice for the orientation requirements for onboarding. These are the folders. This is onboarding requirement 1, and here are the 4 corresponding items in there. Onboarding requirement 2 is the learning coach training, and then onboarding requirement 3 is simply to sign the contract. Now, these 2 here, I want you to do those with your learning coach, aka your parent, because both of you are signing the requirements that you understand the contract and how our policies and program expectations are laid out in the Aiken iNNOVATE handbook, which you can access right here. So this is all you gotta do. Everything is right here. Now, if you're a brand new student to the program, I'm asking you to come at the posted time for the live learning coach training session, and I'll do that with you. But if anyone else has been with us before, this is where you're gonna go and get that training. If y'all have any questions about anything, feel free to email us at ai@acpsd.net, and I'm looking so forward to working with you guys all again this year. Thank you.